If I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. Never insult the judge overseeing your case. That is a message that I have delivered directly sitting right here to this particular camera. I've delivered that to Donald Trump, his lawyers, and everybody in his orbit. And luckily, none of them have taken my advice. And they continue to go out there and insult the judges that are basically holding their fate in their hands. And we saw it play out once again this week, not in Donald Trump's favor, when he appealed a decision last week to continue holding him in contempt, charging him $10,000 a day, which, yes, does include weekends, so $70,000 per week. They appealed it, and on Monday filed a motion with the appellate court to get it repealed. And immediately after filing the motion, Donald Trump told Bloomberg, quote, "We have a judge that frankly has been unbelievably unfair. We've given millions and millions of pages," and he says, give more, always give more. Make it sound like the judge is some kind of greedy little child here, like, I want more. I need more documents. I'm building a document house and I don't have enough. That's not what happened. And of course, as I mentioned, he is talking about the original judge, the judge still overseeing the case, by the way, not the appellate judges who he was trying to get to throw out the case. Well, to nobody's surprise, Tuesday morning, at just a couple hours, the appellate court came back and said, no, we're not purging your contempt. You're still going to be charged $10,000 a day, buddy. Suck it up and deal with it and turn over these documents that we continue to ask for. And again, I do think a lot of it has to do with the fact that Trump will not stop insulting these judges. You're not going to take any kind of pity on the person when they're out there trashing your colleagues. And I do speak from experience on this. Let me just explain a couple things. Obviously, here at Ring of Fire, we do a lot of legal segments because we've got a lot of lawyers. You know, Mike Papantonio, one of the best in the country here. And we've gone out and we've talked about cases that Mike Papantonio and, partners at his law firm are currently handling. The one thing we do not do is we don't trash the judges that are overseeing those cases. Occasionally, yeah, after the cases have ended and there's no appeals, no nothing, it's over, we'll talk some smack about the judges, but never until after it's done. And do you know why that is? Because you don't want to piss off the judges. You don't want to go and taint anything, even if you think it could be appealed. You still don't do it yet. Trump doesn't learn that. He has not learned that. He's still out there doing the same thing that eventually is going to piss off enough judges that he's not going to have any friends left in the judiciary. He continues to lose in court. That's the big takeaway here. And to be honest, based on what I've seen from plenty of lawsuits, part of it has to do with how he treats those judges. Now, you may disagree with me, but trust me, I am speaking from experience. When you antagonize that judge, in any step of this way, it doesn't ever end well for you.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.